Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you love learning smart tricks, make sure to subscribe. Photo looks cinematic, but it was made in Canva. Let's start. Open Canva. Open video. Go to upload. Upload image. Drag it to full screen. This boring photo just became cinematic. Go to edit. Now adjust the image settings. Increase contrast slightly and reduce highlights. Increase shadows slightly and reduce saturation. Then go to Elements and search for Light Leak. Click on Video. Scroll down. Choose Video. Drag it to full screen. Reduce the length of video. Go to Transparency. Decrease transparency. Click on Play. Normal photo now looks like a movie scene. Go to Share. Download. Export MP4 video. Follow for the next Canva technique. And don't forget to subscribe.